Hey Bulent, how you doing?
Good, Nick. How are you?
So we last spoke to you on the launch of SynthMaster 3.
Right, yeah.
And I hope that's all been going great. Seems to have gone down very well.
Yes.
Knowing you as I know the amount of features you include, it sounds like you've got some more stuff to show us already, right?
Right.
So what are we looking at?
Well, there are two important features that we added in our version 3.1 update. The first important feature is now we can actually turn SynthMaster 3 into a drum kit. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the track view, and as you see, we have multiple drum parts here. And when I click on this zoom icon here, the master sequencer dialog opens up, and this is my pattern. And basically, each preset you can have up to 128 different patterns, and you can edit. You can create new patterns, you can duplicate, delete, copy, paste, and we have lots of factory patterns that we added actually. And for instance, if I play this preset now.
All right, so they're just like pattern triggers based on the synth layers that you've got in the overall patch. Okay, cool.
What's that?
The pattern just plays the synth layers, which are drum voices.
Right, yeah. And you can, as I said, you can assign patterns to different keys, and with a single preset, I mean, you can create a complex drum preset basically.
So that could be samples or it can be synthesis, right?
Yes, exactly. For instance, if we look at this one, I think this is all synthesis, like the toms, the crash. This is a sample. This one's a sample, but this tom is a wavetable. And this right is also a synthesis.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I mean, yes, you can combine synthesis and samples, and you can create basically drum kits. That's the first thing that we added. And we have lots of different patterns actually. And we have some Middle Eastern Turkish rhythms.
Oh, excellent. I love the sound of the frame drum, it sounds great.
Yeah. Some drum and bass.
So would this take an entire instance of SynthMaster to do like one drum kit and the sequences, or can you run...
Just with a single instance you can do this.
Right, okay, gotcha.
You can have a drum kit in a single preset, and you can have like 128 patterns assigned to different keys, and you can create a single song using just a single preset.
Right, by arranging, yeah. Okay.
By combining different patterns, by pressing different keys, you can create a single song.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
nice.
You can do that. And the other feature that I want to show today is we added the vintage voice modifiers. Basically what it is the oscillators here have a vintage parameter, the envelopes have a vintage parameter, and the filters have a vintage parameter basically. So what this does is, for instance, if I right click on this knob, there's randomize all voice modifiers and edit all voice modifiers. So basically some parameters here can have different values for each voice. For instance, this preset here has 6 voices.
So you can
just
emulate,
like an Oberheim.
you can emulate 6 poorly matched circuits if
yes,
you wish.
So that you can emulate poly-analog synths. Like I have 6 voices, and for each 6 voice, I can just change the value. For instance, I can actually draw like this.
Okay.
I can.
Can you? Because sometimes it's quite subtle. Can you make it really wrong? Because I quite like that sometimes when you go really...
Ah, you want to go at extreme values?
Yeah, well, what does that sound like?
Yeah, let's try that. I mean...
All right, I can hear it's wandering a little, so yeah.
Oh, this has unison also. Let's randomize these. Let me show you some other presets like this smoke. Like
Okay,
when I
so you get
increase the
that.
vintage. Also for the envelope.
Oh, interesting. So you can really dial it in.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the thing about SynthMaster. I mean, when you first showed me the demo, it was so complete. There was so much to it, but you've done some really clever things with accessing deep parameters, but bringing them quite close to the surface. And I guess this is just another example of that. So is this available now? When does the...
Yes, we released it last week. It is available.
And what's the deal? Is it just a free update or...
It's a free update, yes.
Wow.
And our actually our winter sale is ending this weekend, so our potential users have still a couple of days to pick it up at a good deal.
Okay, so and just to refresh, this is available for what platforms? It's Mac and PC?
Mac and PC, and iOS is hopefully coming this summer. We already have iOS versions for SynthMaster 1 and 2, and hopefully for SynthMaster 3 we're going to have it by June.
Excellent. And it covers so many different synthesis types, doesn't it? It's not just virtual analog. We have wavetable, we have all kinds of synthesis, right?
Yes, we have multiple engines available. We have virtual analog, wavetable, granular, sample playback, and we have multi-sample support, basically. And as you saw, you can create, for instance, a drum kit with both synthesis and samples. I mean, there's endless possibilities, basically, with SynthMaster.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nick.